Marginal required weekly test. I don't know if they'll go, but we'll find out. Cleveland.
At 10 miles an hour, gusting to 20. The pressure was 30.11 inches and falling.
Go off. You. Yes.
Special built receivers are automatically activated to warn the intended passer. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. At 11 a.m.